Okay, hello guys. Today we have NFP news. Okay, and this is very important news to everyone. Average hourly earning, non-farm employment change, and employment rate. Okay, expected. Okay, this is for previous 236. Okay, and their forecast is drop 181. That's mean USD weak. Their forecast is the USD will weak. Okay, but if data actual release, here maybe around 300k, 300, maybe 350. That's mean USD will strong because have a lot of chance their people to get a job. So this is positive result if the result is increased with the previous data, but the forecast is drop. That means USD will weak. Okay, what happen if USD will weak? That means if USD weak, USD CAD will falling down, gold will fly. Okay, this is the basic correlation. Okay, if USD weak. Okay, next data is average hourly earning. Their forecast is remain 0.03. So if remain, it's okay. Maybe mixed data. Okay, so the next is employment rate. Okay, for the previous is 3.5%, and the forecast is 3.6. That means increase 0.01%. 0.1%. Okay, so that means increase. Once increase, USD weak. Okay, because the employment rate increase that forecast. If actual release increase than before, that means USD will weak. Okay, but what if non-farm employment change 300k, employment rate maybe around 3.4 drop. Okay, 3.4 drop. That means the result is USD strong. Okay, once USD strong, you can fly and gold falling. Okay, this is depend on data NFP. I just give my expectation. I just teach you how to read the news. Okay, this is basic actually, and you need to know if data release green color, that means strong. If red color, that means weak. Okay, that's all. If remain like this, okay, remain data black color. So what will happen today? The question is what will happen at gold today? Okay, so far actually this is my capital. Actually I did profit. So this is today profit, and this is current running profit. I just hold one position because I already closed a lot of profit, maybe 6 layer, and I just hold one layer. Okay, this is from technical analysis, trend line breakout. Okay, trend line breakout, and already pull back and then falling down, and this is the signal I give the before. Why have engulfing here, E and plus E setup, which is at the lower time frame. Okay, at lower time frame, which is at M30. Okay, you can see this engulfing reach the zone and then falling down until now. Okay, but we need to know the current market price still have support. Okay, still have support here, but my expectation, just monitor this price, this level, just monitor this level. Just monitor this level. Still have potential for buying here, but if breakout, that's mean all support. Okay, this is my expectation. Fly maybe, or gold can drop until this level and then fly, maybe, or gold can fly, hit my break even, then reach at this zone, and then we can find sell. This is technical analysis, which is I just use SNR only, which is support and resistance. Okay, clear? So we need to monitor. We need to. I will release the setup during news. Okay, during news, or I will release setup before news or after news. Okay, we need to wait. First, we need to wait the spike. If have spike, I will give the signal, and then I will wait for the data release. The data release at Forex factory. Okay, I just monitor the two things, which is we can use technical analysis, but we need to monitor the fundamental analysis, the data. Okay, I hope you guys can hear. This is just the zone. Okay, my expectation can break, but if gold can fly high, bro, at least 300 pips. Because NFP news have big momentum. Sometimes 200 pips or more, 300 pips maybe. So just be prepared. Just marking the zone. Just marking all zone. Just marking all zone. Okay. This is potential sell if gold reach here, but just wait my signal. Okay. Gold can break actually for all support if gold one break. Okay. If the data is too strong, the answer if gold can break all the support will reach this zone back. Okay, if data strong. Okay, but we need to wait the data. And okay, this is my advice. If you scared, just use capital that you willing to lose. Okay, and you need to split your two account, which is if lost, you have another account to recounter. Okay, but if running 20 pips, 30 pips, just set break even or just close all, because this data is too fast and too volatile. Okay, just waiting. If you entry buy, example, you buy here, potential, if not break, you need to close or set break even. Okay, just entry 0.30, example, if profit running 30 pips or 40 pips, just set break even. Just set break even. Okay, if you want close, can close. Just focus on your target profit. Target. Okay, set your target. If you want hold, just hold with break even like this. Like this. I entry at 2051, and then I set break even. And until now, gold still running. Gold still running. Until now, gold still running around 160 pips. So I think it's good actually. So got it. I already teach you how to read news, and this is just zone. This is just zone. I just monitor the zone. Because I need to wait the news release first and waiting for the spike. Okay, this is just zone monitor. This is not the confirmed zone for buy. Okay, because you need to know have 3 support. 1, 2, 3, and this is 2 zone, which is 1 and 2 zone resistance and 3 zone support. This is based on technical analysis. Okay, but we need to know fundamental analysis at Forex factory. The data we need to wait and read the news. What happened? If you scared, just avoid this news. Okay, because this news is very risky. Okay, if you want close, just close. Profit. Okay, if you want hold, just hold like me with break even. Okay, make it simple. Just be prepare your account. Get ready for NFP. Let's go.